How to set a time limit for any app on iPhone. To set a time limit for any app on your iPhone, you can use Apple's Screen Time feature, which helps manage app usage and encourages healthy screen habits. Start by enabling Screen Time through Settings, Screen Time, then tap Turn on Screen Time and follow the prompts. Once enabled, you can set time limits for specific apps by going to Settings, Screen Time, App Limits. Tap Add Limit, select the app category, find the specific app, and set a daily time limit using the hour and minute sliders. If you want the app to completely lock when the limit is reached, toggle on Block at End of Limit, then tap Add. To restrict usage across all apps, choose All Apps and Categories in the same menu and set your desired daily limit. For more control, customize downtime by going to Settings, Screen Time, Downtime, where you can schedule specific hours when only essential apps are accessible. Add apps to the Always Allowed list under Settings, Screen Time. Always allowed if you want certain apps like phone or messages to remain unrestricted. To ensure limits can't be bypassed, set a Screen Time passcode by selecting Use. Screen Time passcode in the Screen Time settings. This passcode will be required to extend limits or make changes. If you want to turn off a limit, go to App Limits, select the app, and tap Delete Limit. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.